This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Grady Kenner. This home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and coastal charm. As you step inside, you are greeted by a large open floor plan that is light and bright with tons of sunlight. Notable features include a brand new high-end kitchen with quartz countertops, solid maple cabinets and appliances, a fully equipped elevator shaft, solid hardwood floors, first floor multi-generational suite, and oversized two-car garage. Located within close proximity to the beach, incredible restaurants, the new dome site with a state-of-the-art wave pool, parks, and more. December 18, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Grady Kenner at 757-422-2200.